Hey everyone, welcome to Intuitive Gems. In this video, I'm going to do an unboxing of a brand new to me deck. This is called the Angels of Abundance Oracle Cards by Doreen Virtue and Grant Virtue. Now I know Doreen Virtue has since moved on to a different life path since she has released these cards. And I know these cards are not new, but they are new to me. I just picked them up today. And I was really drawn to the deck when I was looking at them, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna pick these up and I'm gonna buy them. So because they are new, and I know people do still really love Doreen Virtue's decks, and they are still buying and using them, I thought it would be fun to go ahead and do an unboxing in this video today with all of you. So what I'm gonna do is remove the plastic wrap, and then we'll go ahead and get into the cards. Okay, I went ahead and removed the shrink wrap. I'm trying not to get too much of the glare on here, but let's go ahead and open up the cards. Now this is a beautiful, beautiful deck because I have seen other people use it, and I have seen, seen the cards, in person. I just haven't had my own deck yet. But this is the guidebook here. Now, if you do hear some background noise, that is my son eating his dinner and watching his iPad. So you may hear little boy noises going on in the background. So that's the book. And let's go ahead and take a look at the cards. Now I have quite a few Doreen Virtue decks, and I have to say I have not been disappointed with any of them. Look at this gorgeous back. Absolutely love it. Now let's see, this is 44 cards in the deck. And again, this is the Angels of Abundance Oracle. So the whole theme of the deck is obviously around, abundance and prosperity and, just, I guess, just having enough or having more than enough or having exactly what you want and living a life without limitation or lack. So let's go ahead and start the flip through. Now, as you can see, each card has, a message or something up here, and then it goes into a description at the bottom. And I really love the wisdom in that. I really love the wisdom in these messages. They're very practical, but they're also at the same time very profound and very applicable. At least I think so. Cardstock is beautiful. There is no gilding on this deck, but it's a nice thick card, not too thin. And I'm already resonating with these messages and with these cards because I do like the focus. The artwork is very beautiful. Now, a lot of these cards seem to apply to everyday life situations. And that's the other thing I really enjoy about this deck is that no matter, where you are or what your background or your beliefs are, you can definitely gain some wisdom from these cards and from this deck. You know, you don't have to be religious, or you don't have to, you know, be non-religious, whatever. I think that these definitely apply to, or can apply to some area in all of our lives, especially this one. I work on that every day. And I really like that you can also meditate with these cards and also journal with these cards. And they're all pretty positive. You know, obviously there's some that tell you to focus on certain areas of your life, but for the most part, they are very positive and very uplifting. It's cute, Santa Claus. And there you go. So that is the, if I can get this up, what is it called? The Angels of Abundance. I was going to say Abundance Angels Oracle card. Okay, when you have nails, it's hard to pick up the cards. But the Angels of Abundance Oracle cards by Doreen Virtue and Grant Virtue. Again, a beautiful deck. I'm so happy to have it in my collection. If you have this deck, what are your thoughts? I'd love to know if you care to share in the comments below. And if you have any questions or comments about anything else, feel free to drop that in the comments below also. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.